So defense.
I want selfless discipline.
I want a Cal Ripken
Streak. I want you on the streets with distractions. Defense.
I don't want you home.
With distractions. I don't want you in relationships with women with distractions. I want heated passion on defense. Velcro. Velcro on the offense. Tight defense. Don't let them go nowhere. No deep pass. No run. I want no distractions either. Just in the zone. And this is my laser pointer. And I'm pointing. That side better be defense.
That side better be
defense. Middle side better be defense. We have nothing to offer to offense.